When it's time to replace your windows in Gilbert, preparation is key to ensuring a smooth and efficient installation process. Proper preparation not only saves time but also protects your belongings and ensures the safety of both your family and the installation crew. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get your home ready for window installation. Clear the work area inside and out. The first step is to clear the space around the windows, both indoors and outdoors. Move furniture, decor, or plants that might obstruct access to the windows being replaced. This will provide the installation team with enough space to work and reduce the risk of damage to your belongings. Outdoors, trim any shrubs or branches that may block the installer's access to the windows. Ensure walkways leading to the windows are clear of obstacles, like garden tools or toys. Remove window treatments and coverings. Take down all blinds, curtains, and drapes from the windows scheduled for replacement. Removing these items allows the installers to access the windows directly and avoids accidental damage. Additionally, store hardware, such as curtain rods and brackets, in a safe place for reinstallation later. If you have decorative items or shelves near the windows, remove them to prevent them from falling during the installation. Protect your floors and furniture. Installing new windows can kick up dust and debris. Protect your floors with drop cloths, tarps, or old sheets in areas where the installation will occur. If the window installation is extensive, you may want to cover furniture with plastic sheets to safeguard them from dirt. For added convenience, some window installation companies may provide their own protective coverings. Check with your installer beforehand. Disable security systems. If your windows are connected to a home security system, inform your provider about the installation in advance. They may need to temporarily disable the sensors attached to the windows being replaced. Once the new windows are installed, you can work with the provider to reconnect the system. Create a safe environment for everyone. Window installation involves heavy equipment, glass, and tools, making safety a priority. If you have children or pets, plan to keep them away from the work areas during the installation. Set up a safe space where they can stay while the project is underway. Additionally, communicate any safety concerns to the installation team before they begin. Plan for ventilation and noise. Window installation can be noisy, with tools like drills and saws in use. If you work from home or need a quiet environment, consider planning your schedule around the installation process. Since installers may leave windows open during the replacement, expect a temporary loss of indoor climate control. In Gilbert's warm climate, this can be a concern, especially during summer. Make sure your HVAC system is ready to accommodate changes in temperature or schedule the installation for cooler parts of the day. Confirm delivery and inspect the new windows before installation day. Confirm the delivery of your new windows and inspect them for any damage. Report issues to your installer immediately so they can address them before the project begins. Communicate with your installation team. Good communication with your installation team ensures everything goes smoothly. Share any concerns about your property, such as fragile landscaping, specific access points, or unique aspects of your home. Ask for an estimated timeline so you can plan accordingly. Most window installation projects are completed within one day, but larger homes or custom windows may take longer. Clean up post-installation. Once the installation is complete, inspect the windows and surrounding areas with the installers to ensure everything is in order. Most professional installation teams will handle cleanup, including removing old windows and debris, but it's a good idea to verify this beforehand. Reinstall any window treatments, hardware, or furnishings once the area is clean. Test your new windows to ensure they open, close, and lock properly. Enjoy the benefits of your new windows. With your new windows installed, your home will benefit from improved energy efficiency, enhanced curb appeal, and increased comfort. Proper preparation ensures that your window installation experience is hassle-free, leaving you with beautiful results that will last for years to come. By following this guide, you'll be ready to welcome your installation team and enjoy a smooth process from start to finish. If you're preparing for window installation in Gilbert, these steps will help protect your home and streamline the experience for everyone involved.